What's up, kids who technical? I'm back again with another video over 2 of their cases. So let's get started. So this case is the Poetic Revolution Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra case in black. They also sent me over their Poetic Guardian Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra case in black. This is what the box looks like. You get a QR code if you want to scan it and go check out things on the website, but I will put a link to the description in the website. First, we're going to unbox the Poetic Revolution. This is the Poetic Revolution. This is their more heavier duty case, like outer box that, so I don't need that. You also get, I believe this is a wet wipe, and you get a wet wipe, you get dust removable sticker, and you also get your microfiber cleaning cloth, because these cases now come with they give you 2 front housings. So you get one with the fingerprint scan, one with the screen protector that has the fingerprint scanner cut out inside of the screen protector, and you might want to use the screen protector with their device, and some people like me might not want to, so I'm trying to pop this out. And you also get the sticker for where your fingerprint scanner your thumb will go for your fingerprint scanner. So first, let's throw it with the screen protector in. So pretty much that's what the dust removable sticker is for. If you want to, clean up your phone screen before you put this on there, you can. I'm not going to do that because, like I said, this front housing I will not really be using. But anyways, you would just place your phone in like so, and you still get access to your fingerprint scanner. Then you would place the back of the case on like so, and this is pretty much what the device will look like if you had the front housing on with a screen protector on your device, with the screen protector on your device. So you get your power button. It's nice and clicky. I don't know if you can hear that. You get your volume up and down button. They're nice and clicky also. On the back here, you get the little cutout for your cameras. It's deep, so you don't have to worry about, look how deep that is. You don't have to worry about placing your phone down flat on the back, because you are good and protected. You get your kickstand. Gotta love a case with a kickstand, so you can use it in this mode or in this position. You get little fake screws at the bottom here. It says Poetic. On the bottom, you get access to your charging, your charging cable, your charging plug, and your microphone, and you get easy access to your S Pen, which is good. On this side, you get nothing, but you get little grips down here, so if you accidentally drop your phone on the corner, you're good and protected. And if you place your phone down flat on the face of the screen, you're good and protected, because this has the screen protector built into the case already. So now we're going to check for wireless charging, and you get your wireless charging with this device, with this case also, which is good. Overall, this is a nice look and feel case. This is good for if you do a lot of work outside and you want to really protect your phone. This is the Poetic Revolution, the Revolution case from Poetic. So now I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm just going to place in the one without the screen protector housing, just to show you what it looks like. Case off like so. Pull the phone out like so. Be careful though. Don't pull too fast. You don't want to rip it, or you don't want to have your phone going flying. So I'm going to place this one down here, and then it's the exact same steps with the one that doesn't. The one that doesn't have a screen protector is also great, because if you already have a screen protector on your device, you'll get the same amount of protection. And this is the route I like to go. You just place it in like so. Make sure everything lines up, and hold on, let me do this behind the camera real quick. It'll look like this is the exact same case, just without the screen protector housing. So you still get good access to everything. And even if you don't want to have a screen protector on your device, if you lay your phone flat down on the table, you should have no worries. You should still be good to go. And now we're going to move on to the Guardian. This is still a 2-part case. This is a more lighter feel. You still get the screen protector in one of the front housings of the fronts of the front casing, and then you get one without. And this is what this case looks like. So this is a clear back. You get a clear back. It has like a gray trim around it. It says Poetic. Pretty much it's the same exact steps. You just find the corner to lift it up. That's why you're not messing up your nails. You want to peel this off in the inside here. Don't touch it, because that is a little bit of adhesive on there, so it can stick to your fingerprint scanner. Place it on your phone like so. I want to give it a little press. That way you'll know it's good for your little for your fingerprint scanner. As you can see, that's another reason why I don't like these kind of cases with the in-display fingerprint scanner, because they're making them with the hole. You can see that hole, and if your phone is off on a black screen like this, that's going to be noticeable, and that is something I just don't care for. But place this in like so. Like I said, this is a more thinner fit, but you still get the exact same protection as you would get if you had the Revolution case on. This is just a little bit more thinner. This is something I would rock. I would rock this case more than I would this case, actually. This is a little too bulky for me. But anyways, you get a nice cutout for your camera. It's deep. You don't have to worry about placing your phone down flat on its back, because your cameras will be protected. On the back, like I said, it is clear, so you just get access to the back of your device, which looks good because I have the Phantom Black with the matte black on the back. In this case, it's black and gray, so it really goes well. At the bottom here, you get your cutouts and a nice access to your S Pen. Your speaker on this side, you do get your power button. Still nice and clicky, if you can hear that. Volume up and down. Nice and clicky. The top here, you do get access to a microphone. Nothing on this side. This does not have as much grip as the Revolution case, but it's still nice. So now we're going to test for wireless charging, and as you can see, it does have wireless charging. That little light there indicates that this is wireless charging. So now we're going to do the exact same thing, but with the one that does not have the screen protector on the case. With the one without the screen protector, just want to place it in like so. Make sure everything snaps, and pretty much this is what you're looking like. You still get the exact same protection as you would with the one with the screen protector. So if you place your phone flat down on the table like this, you should be good and ready to go. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.